Alright guys, Paul here again. Today what I'm going to do is I've got my Kraton 8S and through a couple of guys on the internet, Tibor Vaughan, who's who I first seen it off, I'll put his channel up in the description. I found out that there's obviously the V1 Kraton 8S here, and I don't know if it's official, but everybody's calling it the 1.5 mod, where you're replacing the tower-to-tower brace for a tooth part. You get a back brace here and a couple of bars and things to fit. So through a company called Logic RC in the UK, if you've already bought the car, you've got your receipt for it and you send them a picture, you pay them £25 and they send you out the whole kit, which I think if you get any other way it'll be a lot more expensive than that. But this is the parts here. Here's the two tower bars, so have a look at the numbers of all the parts if anyone's interested in them. But here's the long tower brace, 211mm. We've got the short tower brace, 164mm. Brace mount pins here, rod ends and pins and retainers and things, that's the parts there. And the rear mount clamp, well, the chassis brace for the rear, that's it here. So I think this one's going to be the one that gives you the most strength, because it's, if you look at the chassis, obviously it goes thinner at the back, so it's probably the weaker point. So it'll clamp on somewhere down here, and yeah, it should be good. And also, this didn't have a part number, but this is the new tower brace, which I'm not sure if that comes in with the two bars, and I imagine it will. But yeah, if you can get that deal done, speak to Logic RC, and it's a great way to get this upgraded. So I'll get ahead with this just now. I'll fit everything off camera, I'll come back and we'll have a look at it together and see what it looks like when it's all on. Alright guys, that's the upgrade done. That literally took me about 15 minutes. If I knew it was going to be that fast, I'd have probably just recorded me doing the whole thing. But obviously now, instead of this one long bar here, we've got the two short bars at the top, got the chassis mount at the back, and then the new tower. So literally all you've got to do is take basically a 3 and a 4mm Allen key, take this out with the 4mm screws, replace it, then you've got another 4mm screws, two go on to the one either side of the sort of tower base, and the other two go onto the back end of the car. There's sort of holes there for them already. Then all you've got to do with these bars, there's this little Allen rods that thread into the ends here. So hands are a bit dirty and stuff, but I put Loctite on them, which is probably unnecessary, but I just let it sitting there, so I put a wee dip on each one, and you've got your plastic ends that screw onto the backs of them. They were the only thing I didn't actually like. If I was going to look at one negative, these thread onto the little rods, but it's just a really sort of fine plastic sort of thread inside the end bolt. And if this had a little metal liner inside it would probably go up a lot neater, because although there's not any real issue, you still felt like you could maybe strip a thread quite easy putting that on. So just take your time with that if you do it. Yeah, other than that, like I say, that's it all on, looking good and ready to go. So next time you see this, it'll be out, we'll be doing some jumps and things, and yeah, happy how that went, nice and easy. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.